Hey everyone, so this is the tutorial on how to join the 30-day private pay challenge in the community. So as you can see, I'm currently on my laptop, and when you click the link or copy and paste the link on your preferred browser, this will be showing up. On the right side, you can see that there is a login and join group. So if you click the join group, you will be prompted to join the standard, premium, or the VIP tier, right? So if you do not want to do it and you currently have the account, you just have to exit that, and then you're gonna click the login button and put your login details, your email and your password. And if forgot your login details, you just have to click the forgot password. Okay, so you put your email address so the Skool community can send you the link to reset your password. So I put my email there and click the email me. Then you're just gonna go to your email to check for the link. So here you go. Here's what it will look like. So better check your spam too if you can find it on your inbox. And then you're gonna click the reset password. As you click it, you will be prompted to create a new password. So here I'm just typing my password. After that, you're gonna have to save your password and then go to the login section of Skool. So put your details again, your email and your new password. Then you click the login. So once you've logged into the community, this screen will show to you, and this is how you can see the 30-day private pay client challenge. So as you can see here, I'm gonna click the more so I can see everything in the discussion. And then if you are on the insider community, you click that so you can access the discussion on that year. If you're in the growth year, just go in the discussion for the growth year. And if you are a VIP member, go to the Elite Masterminds discussion section. So I'm currently in the insider community. So I'm just gonna click the insider community. Okay, so as you can see, there are the days for the 30-day private pay client challenge. So if you haven't completed anything yet here, you can go back to each day's challenge. And as you can see, the daily challenges are being rambled by Skool. So please bear with us because we currently don't have a workaround for displaying the daily challenges in chronological order within the community. So this is the day 1. So if you haven't completed the day 1 yet, you can go back and complete the day 1. So yep, so there you can see the challenge. You're just going to put your comments below and answer the question. And if you are a member of the growth tier, so this is what will be in your discussion area. So as you can see, this is the day 15. So today is the day 15. And your assignment will be to go to the classroom, access your 30-day private pay client challenge growth tier classroom. And then there you can see the resource that we've attached there. And then you can complete it and complete the day 15. And then you're gonna have to return to this discussion and share how often you currently follow up with referral sources, okay? And then if you are a VIP member, you're just gonna go to the Elite Mastermind discussion section. So this is the day 15 of the 30-day private pay client challenge. As you can see, this is in the VIP section or the Elite Mastermind section. So your assignment will be to go to the classroom and open your 30-day private pay client challenge VIP Owners Circle. And then you're gonna have to complete the day 15. And we've attached there the link to the AI Command Center where you can complete today's activity, including the resource. And then you're gonna go back to this discussion to answer the discussion question. Okay? And that's it. So you always remember that in the free tier we give you the food, in the growth tier we give you the utensils and the recipe. In the VIP tier, we help feed you by giving you AI tools, personalized guidance, feedback, and all the resources. But no matter what tier you're in, you still have to chew. You have to take action. No one can build your agency for you, but will give you everything you need to succeed. Here's how to join the 30-day private pay client challenge using your mobile phone. You just have to download the Skool Communities app, log in if you have an account in Skool, or you can also sign up for free. And here's how will it look. As you can see, you are in the general discussion. Then you can just slide it so you can go to the tier that you are in. So I am currently a member of the insider community or the free tier. So here I'm just filtering it out so I can organize the posts chronologically. So you can just browse it up, and if you haven't completed anything yet or missed a day challenge, you can go back in whenever you have the time. And if you want all the resources to achieve the 30-day challenge and get a client, you should upgrade to growth tier or VIP tier. We'll give you the resources and the AI command center there. Be sure to check the community calendar regularly to stay up to date on all upcoming live trainings, Q&A calls, coaching sessions, and the special events that is exclusively for the members of the community. We don't want you to miss anything out, okay? Mark your calendar so you never miss an opportunity to learn and grow.